Welcome to a third foot. This is Amiga front door. I'll show you through. Started a third foot with Joel in 1997. It's our 10th anniversary this year. At the time I had no idea that we'd turn it into a job for 10 years, so basically just got some Prince's Trust funding. Just wanted to offer something really grassroots. This is how we construct a board. So you start with a sanded face. Use what we call a core piece. Cross grain, a dyed core, go faster stripe in the centre, and that's sandwiched in between another cross grain with another core and then a natural sanded face. So there you've got your average 7-ply construction.
Then it comes time to glue them together, so we can put them in the press and press them into the shape that we want.
Roughly cut it to this line, and that's ready for the next stage. There we go, that gives you three separate boards. This is the transfer machine. Pull the release paper off. Yeah, it's a complete board.